So, we still say that. We're 90s guys.
We're 90s guys.
And speaking of 90s.
Speaking of 90s.
We're going to do a little 90s song.
What you doing? See it all too clear. All these days the same. 'Cause I am barely breathing. I can't find it. Don't know who I'm kidding. I'm thinking it over anyway. I almost said that. How's it going on, Fanner?
MPs.
We're up north guitar.
We got some more 90s for you.
We got some more 90s for you, go figure.
Yep.
We're kind of from that generation. But seriously though, this is, I feel like this is one of those songs where you forget about it because they were just like kind of like a one-hit wonder, and when you hear it you go, oh my god,
It's totally in the original now.
Yes, I was just going to say
this
that.
is like now one.
Yeah, like, what are we doing?
Well, we were just sitting around. He was playing this song. I don't actually know this song, as you could probably tell from the intro. And so we thought, instead of teaching you guys like we normally do, we're just gonna try and do a little thing where he teaches me. And so there's not any crazy chords. I kind of was picking it up earlier when we were just jamming there, but
Right.
I don't have it down by any means.
Here we go. So the song starts out and it does a E minor / G chord, and then it goes to like a A2 and then an A major.
Okay.
Okay, so you've got, so pretty much what we're doing is you go E minor and okay up here, and then use these fingers to play the bottom part of like a G, what you normally play. Okay. So you got like a bright E minor.
Got
then you're
that one. I'm familiar with that chord.
Yeah, then you're gonna go to an A2, and then you're gonna resolve it and go.
Okay, I saw you doing that.
Yeah. Then to C9,
Okay.
and then you're gonna play a D. Except you're gonna play it like that, where you don't get that. You don't want that bright.
Okay. I thought you were doing something there, but I couldn't.
Yeah. So the ring finger right here is folding over and muting. See, it's muting the height. Because there's a huge difference between and. So you can hear it?
Yep.
So all together you're gonna do that downstroke. Oh, that sounds terrible. So we're going E minor, A2, A major, C at 9, 2D. I know what you're doing, and then it busts into it, okay?
Okay.
Now, you try to follow the drums. Okay, so think of so in this song the drums sound like this. Do do get do do get do 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 get do. Now watch the guitar. Like the kind of like jostle that you want with the song. And then I hope that helps, because that's what you should be thinking of, because eventually when it comes to strumming pattern, this is like pretty much like your drum set.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, yeah.
You gotta have those like thrown in there, and it adds that extra flavor. At the end of the verses, he does the little whenever. Okay. Now you can do it that way, or you can do it this way. The full one, the bar version.
Yep.
Okay. And then he goes into the chorus, and it goes C at 9, to a G, to an A minor, and then that F.
Oh.
That was always the worst one for me when I was playing guitar, because you gotta lay that finger
The
down.
hard part is getting that finger.
Yeah, I hate that. So
Sometimes
yeah.
I don't even do it. I'm just like, yeah.
I know, right? I just kind of.
Close enough.
So we got C at 9, and G, and then A minor, and then F.
Nice thing about that is your finger's already right there.
Exactly.
So you play it, you just kind of...
What Mr. P's here coined as your pivot point.
Your pivot points. I love them. I don't think I could have learned to play guitar without them.
Right? It's true though, you know, you need that nice like little area to go.
So you don't have to take your hand completely out and put it back on.
Right? So, here's how it sounds going from that F in the end of the verse. So, will it ever change? 'Cause I am barely breathing. I can't find you. Don't know why I'm imagining you again. I can't stand to wait over my day. Don't support the price the price that I would pay. And then it busts into the verse 2, and he plays that E minor there.
Got
All
it.
right?
Got it.
So now you have your second verse, which is the same as your first verse, right? Okay, and then you have your chorus, your next chorus, okay, which is the same as the first chorus, except in the end of it, that's when they do a little ring out. Okay, they do the well, I'm thinking it over anyway, yeah, and they like keep going with the chords. They didn't do that in the first chorus. I'll show you what I mean. So they go like this. Ready? 2, 3. Bridge, and randomly out of nowhere switch to a D chord to start it. And this is the part where they go, come to find you will never know, or changing mind is a friend of foe, is above or sink below, every time you come and go, please don't. Go to a G. That's what I did. Now, you'll find all over the internet different versions, okay, of this part. All right, there's somebody that I heard say that it's a F7 plus. Don't know what that is. Okay, but either way, it's one of those things where I just kind of play it the way that I think it sounds in the song. So this is how I play it. Okay, whether or not it's right, spare me in the comments.
Okay.
F7 plus square root of 2 minus 3, and that's your chord. So,
okay.
What you do for the bridge is a D, A minor, then to a G, and F7, or sorry, F, and then repeat, okay? Now, here's another way that I've played it that I think maybe I'll just present to you guys just so we can say, what do you think? Okay, ready? We got D, A minor,
okay,
and then G, and then take your index finger, bring it down to the first fret, and then make sure you mute the A string.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing
so
that. That is extremely hard for me to do.
It's a little bit of a bend because you have to do this weird
coming from
thing.
What does
with
it
your
come
thumb.
from? A G?
A G, and then
I guess I could probably get it, but
there's a little bit of dissonance in there.
Okay, I can picture that because I can hear that in the song, but I guess I could probably get that, but
so tell me what you think, okay? Because I'm pretty sure all these chords are all over the place on the internet. Anyways, it goes. Changing mind, friend of foe.
chorus. Cause I am badly breathing. And then they bust back into the chorus.
That sounded a little weird, but
It does sound really weird, but it's.
but there's also more. That's what I always think is like there's a lot going on in the song that with the way they recorded it, there might be multiple guitars layered over. You might be hearing the bass or some other instrument.
It's one of those things where it's like a he said, she said, and
Yeah.
you know, everybody has their own opinion on it. So
Until Duncan comes on this channel and teaches us, we're going.
I really hope that
We're
somebody
going with
says
what,
that.
the first one?
Yeah, right. Hey, just so you know, I wrote this song. My name is blah 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 blah.
I would love to see that. I'd
That'd
love
be
to see the actual
cool.
artist right on one of
Here's a link actually to where I recorded
You know what,
it.
you guys, get out of here. I'm going to do my own tutorial.
It's a G7, you idiots. Anyways,
That would be awesome.
so that's pretty much how you play Barely Breathing by Duncan Sheik.
Okay.
As far as like the structure goes, obviously we always say we're not going to hold your hand. We want you guys to figure it out for yourselves. Okay, how many times does he do this? How many times does he do that? But those are the chords. Those are the ingredients you need. So I've given you your spaghetti sauce, your oregano, your thyme, your basil. I need you to make me some spaghetti sauce. Okay, like a real one. That's what we're saying. I'm not going to tell you how much basil to put in there, but you know.
Is that where it goes? D?
You got
Oh,
it.
but it's that D.
Yeah, it's the one without the brightness on it.
Okay.
So,
okay.
lots of bright chords in this song, and I hope that helps some of you guys with like strumming pattern, or if anybody's been struggling with strumming pattern, let us know that this helped you. So follow the rhythm of the drums. That's usually a good go-to. You know,
Yes.
always.
It's about timing. That it took me a while to get that, and it was like,
You know,
it's timing. It's just you gotta. Yep.
you gotta feel that. And everything else should kind of fall into place. You'll feel that groove. Once your head starts going, that's when you know you got it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And you're feeling it and you're having fun, for God's sake. So
Yeah.
that's like the most important part. You know,
You
have fun, drink beer, play
I'm talking
guitar.
to you right now. You can do this. You can learn how to play guitar. I taught myself,
Seriously though,
and you can do it too. And I was old when I started.
I was old when I started, he says. Everybody can learn how to play guitar. It's just
You do
all,
it.
it's all a matter of forcing your body to kind of acclimate to these things that it's not used to doing, you know? So
Yep. It's not easy.
it's not easy.
It's
no.
not easy. It's very hard to do, but you can do it.
Put your time in.
Yep.
And drink some beer and have some fun.
Yeah, drink beer and have fun. Fucking A, man.
So, without further ado, here, let's cheers to that. Without further ado, I'm Fainer,
I'm Peace. I just learned a new song.
and you just learned a new song.
That was great.
Hail to the 90s. You guys have a good one.
All right.
Peace out.
Should we play them out?
Sure, let's do it.
What you do?
There it is. Oh, there it is.
I am barely breathing. I can't find air. Don't know why I can't imagine. I could stand here waiting for another day. Don't suppose this world applies. This world applies. But I'm
We'll probably cut it off way before that, but it was still fun.
I did screw it up a couple times, but
Yeah?
it's the first time I've done it.
Really?
First time I played that song.
I thought you played this last week at open mic.
Oprah.
Oprah, sorry.
Did I say open mic? I meant Oprah.
I meant Oprah. Oh, that was fun.
All right.